the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. With an automatic transmission, this sedan, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Hyundai features front-wheel drive, power door locks, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, a CD player, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.